do will be used
Yeah,
against
you
you
can
for
suck
the law.
my dick.
Do you understand the motherfucking rights I read to you, nigga?
I don't give a fuck what you talking about. You take me to jail about nothing.
You said you have probable cause to arrest him? What's your cause?
What's your cause?
Yo, he wasn't even here.
What's your cause?
What,
Y'all niggas
nigga?
wasn't even here when y'all niggas pulled up.
Come over here for a second.
Fuck is this nigga talking about?
Hey, bag up for you. Bag up.
Yo, get off of me with this dumbass echo.
Alright, get off me with it. Alright, bitch ass.
Go ahead and look who it was too. Go ahead, go look. Look like none of us.
Ain't you talking about you gonna take me to jail? These niggas bugging.
Don't worry, nigga. Finna sue these niggas. Don't worry about that shit.
Before we take anything, I'm out of body cam.
Yo, why you keep walking me in circles, bro?
If I can, you gonna walk.
Niggas gonna
Get some
play you.
exercise.
You're bugging.
Yeah, get some exercise.
Alright, bro. Do whatever you do, bro. You going up in the...
Yeah, we going up, but doing our job, okay, sure.
Why are you walking me in circles?
Hey, go ahead and put him in the transport unit. Officers.
Yo, fuck you, nigga. You bugging.
Was there any shots fired?
This niggas is bugging out.
I just asked you a simple question.
Why you keep stealing? Stop searching my pockets.
Over there.
Hey.
Listen, I understand this. Listen.
Niggas is shooting, y'all worrying about us. Shit crazy.
Damn.
I don't give a fuck either, nigga. You mad ugly. Fuck you talking
I'm about
about?
to start tweaking on y'all motherfuckers.
Fuck is you talking about,
Nigga, do
nigga?
your fucking job.
Put him in the payment car, yo.
I don't give a fuck what this nigga talking about. Stupid ass Chicago police.
Shut your bitch ass.
You a bitch, nigga. I'll take these cuffs off and slap you, nigga.
Alright.
Pussy ass. Yeah, alright, do it then, pussy ass nigga.